Hello guys, Game Changers back again with another video showing you how to get live TV and sports on iOS devices. No jailbreak or PC needed, so let's get into it. Hello guys, so as I said, we are showing you how to watch live TV and sports. You will have to go to your settings, general, profiles and device management, and trust the app as soon as you download it from the link down below. Obviously you are going to want to open the app up, press on the plus button in the top left corner, press download iPlay TV playlist, put a name that you want to call it in here for when you want to go onto there and watch programs, press save and then tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, as you can see, it brings up all the channels. There is honestly tons and tons of channels, even cartoon channels for your kids and your children if you are an adult and wanting this for them. But otherwise, there's tons of stuff for us to watch personally. As you can see, I've just loaded up a channel now. I'm going to go off that. We'll see if another one works. Let's check this one. There will be an ad near enough on every channel that you press on, but that's how they're making their money to make this able to keep running. So without these, it won't be able to run. So yeah, amazing app guys. We are going to get into how to install it in a second, but as you can see, there are tons of channels. There are other ways for you to add IP playlists to this as well. So let's get into how to download it. You want to go to the link down in the description below. If not, just type in appvalley.vip and press search. You should come up, press on the free download. It'll take you to this. You want to press allow, and then you want to install it all, put your passcode in, install, and then done. It'll take you back to the website, go to your home screen, and there it is. You just want to press on the app. Simple as that guys. As soon as you press on the app, you want to tap the little X in the top right corner on both of the pop-ups, otherwise you won't be able to search. Go to the search area and then just type in iPlay. It'll be the first app that pops up. Press get, install, and that's pretty much it guys. As you can see now, the app is installing, and now you just do what I done in the beginning of the video. It's as simple as that. So if you did enjoy the video as much as I hope you guys would have enjoyed the video, because I love this app, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one guys. This has been Game Changers and I'm out. Peace.